Often we see rotten fruits and veggies, though we bring fresh from the market. After 2 days or 3 days, some of the vegetables and fruits get rot, and we see the worms or the microorganisms living in them. So, how are you discarding them? Are you able to properly dispose these rotten fruits and veggies to prevent spread of pests and potential contamination and viruses? If not, you can't maintain the hygiene and save the planet Earth. Today we'll see how to discard rotten fruits and veggies, that is worm filled or contains microorganisms or fungi or such like that. Most of us, when we see rotten fruits and veggies, will have an immediate thought to throw them away in the dustbin or trash cans. But you shouldn't do so. But what we have to do is all we got to know in this video. Yes, this is Flying Skies One welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. How you are doing? आप कैसे हो? Yes, here are some of the mangoes I have got recently, and this is the mango with rot. You see here, I'm peeling the skin. While I'm peeling the skin, I saw worms, and not only in the place where the rot is, but it is spread throughout the mango. As it is the mango season, we have got some good number of mangoes in the market, right? And some of them will come up in this way. Please be careful while you eat the mangoes. Of course, you all know we have to clean fruits and veggies and eat. And not only that, you have to put those fruits and veggies that you are consuming or eating into water for half an hour of time, and then proceed to clean and eat to maintain good hygiene and health. You have veggie clean products available in the market. You can go for that to clean the veggies or fruits. Okay, coming back to our question as how to properly dispose rotten fruits and veggies. As you see in the picture, how the rotten mangoes when peeled are filled with worms. They are white and long. Now take these rotten mangoes into a vessel as shown in the picture. You have to pour boiling water on it and let it sit for at least 3 hours of time. You see all the worms coming up, floating up the water and being dead. Again, I repeat the process. If you have any fruits and veggies that are rotten, you take them in a container and pour boiling water into it. Let the water cover all the rotten fruits and veggies. If you want, you can close the lid of the container. Max it takes 10 to 12 hours for all the worms to die inside the rotten mangoes or fruits or veggies. After 12 hours, you can dispose them. That means you can throw them in the dustbin. This is how is called the proper disposal to prevent spread of pests and potential contamination, viruses or any other bacteria or fungi, to maintain health and good hygiene of every human being. Okay, let's get reminder of a saying that eat healthy and stay healthy, right? Of course, this brings some awareness in all of us as how to properly dispose rotten fruits and veggies. Yes, this is all it for today. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, do subscribe to Flying Skies One for more interesting videos and stay connected. Thanks for watching. Keep smiling. Stay healthy.